So there's a really popular fragrance in the fragrance community called Cedrat Boise by Mancera, this right here. I've been wanting to review this. Finally, I get the chance to do it for Saffler Bon as a contributor. You're also going to have a chance at winning a full bottle of Cedrat Boise if you are a subscriber of this channel from the USA, so please stay tuned. Thanks so much for tuning in. This is Sebastian with Smelling Great Fragrance Reviews. If this is your first time on this channel and you love watching fragrance reviews and you love finding out about new fragrances, watching lists and participating in giveaways and still haven't subscribed to this channel, there is a subscribe button below. Please click that, and also please click the bell icon so you'll be notified for future videos and giveaways. Also, I wanted to let you know that this particular bottle of Cedrat Boise was sent to me for this review, but all opinions are my own. And as I said at the beginning, I've been wanting to review this one for a while, and I finally get the chance to do it for Saffler Bon. So Mancera Cedrat Boise was launched in 2011. It is an EDP concentration, and it sells for a suggested retail $180 in a 120 ml bottle. Now, if you don't know what Cedrat Boise means, it basically translates to woody citron or woodsy lemon. For notes in Cedrat Boise, at the top you've got bergamot, lemon, black currant, cold spices. In the heart you have fruity notes, water jasmine, patchouli. In the base notes you have sandalwood, cedar, leather, moss, white musk, and vanilla. Vanilla is key here for me. Now, first off, before I review the fragrance, I just want to also say that there is a fragrance out there that's very, very popular masculine fragrance that a lot of people compare Cedrat Boise to. And I knew that about this fragrance going into this review, but after wearing it for a while and experiencing the fragrance, I can see the similarities, but there are so many differences here with Cedrat Boise compared to that fragrance that I find this one a lot more unique and interesting to wear compared to that other fragrance. Here we have this very creamy, velvety, smooth, citrus woody fragrance that I absolutely love and enjoyed wearing. Now what happens is at the top, you start off with bergamot, lemon. It's very juicy, slightly tart but sweet at the top. Black currant appears and it gives it a slight bit of fruity berry vibe along with some spices. The spices are not so big. It's all about the lemon and black currant with the bergamot, then the spices. As we're heading into the heart notes, more fruity notes pop through. It gets a little fruitier along with the light hints of jasmine with some beautiful patchouli that appears as well in the heart. And as the fragrance is drying down, you still experience the fruitiness and the citrus lemon, but you are picking up more sandalwood. It gets woodsier here. Cedar, leather pops through a little bit with moss. It does get a little musky, but it's also very, very clean and a white musk. And then the vanilla appears, and this is what gives it this uniqueness to Cedrat Boise compared to that other very popular men's fragrance. I love this. I really, really love it. This is the fruitier version of that men's fragrance, the creamier version of that other very popular men's fragrance, and that's what I like about this one. I enjoyed wearing this one because it's very, very cozy. Whereas sometimes citrus and woody fragrances don't tend to be cozy, this has this beautiful coziness, so it's perfect for work. Like sometimes if you're working and you have a stressful job, when you spray this on, it relaxes you. It's smooth. It's a very, very smooth fragrance. That's what worked great for me throughout the day. And it's the kind of fragrance you can wear during the day, the daytime, at work, so you can dress it up and then you can dress it down at night when you go out to have fun. It's a universal type of a fragrance. It's all occasion. Plus, it's a compliment getter. It's a crowd pleaser. People love this one on me. People gravitate towards me to come smell me because it smells so good. And it works so well with my body chemistry. And I absolutely love this one. I really, really enjoy it. And I highly recommend it if you love fruity, woody fragrances. Cedrat Boise is the one for you to try, because once you try it, you're going to love it and you're going to get yourself a bottle and enjoy wearing it. Guys, do you know this one? Do you know Cedrat Boise? Have you tried it? Are you curious to try it? Have you worn it and you like it? Let me know your thoughts. Put some comments down below. Also, we're doing the giveaway, as I said, at Saffler Bon. There's a link in the info box. Click the link, head over to Saffler Bon, follow the rules. You'll have to be registered, of course, and then put your comment down to participate in the giveaway. Good luck with that. Otherwise, if you have any questions or comments, please list below. And also, please like this video, please share it, Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I'll be back with more videos very soon. Have a good one. Goodbye.